Hello everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to download and install Bambu Studio on Linux. So first of all, come here on bambulab.com. Over here you need to hover over to the softwares section, then click on the option of Bambu Studio. Now over here you are going to see that you can download the software for Windows and Mac. You will also see that you can download the beta version of Bambu Studio for Windows and Mac, but in order to download it in the Linux, you need to download the Linux version from the GitHub, or you need to check the latest release notes. So simply click on this particular line and you will be landed here on the official GitHub page of Bambu Studio. Now over here you are going to see all of the release list, so you need to simply just scroll down a bit, and you can also press Ctrl plus F here on the keyboard, and then you can just simply search for download. So when you are able to find it, you are going to see that you can download the FatHub version of Linux from this particular link. So you need to simply just click on this particular link and then simply follow further on screen instructions in order to download the Bambu Studio software inside Linux. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.